Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another weekly vlog. So it's Monday, it's already afternoon here, and I'm just getting ready now to prepare some food for dinner. So I'm gonna be going outside, getting my vegetables and stuff from the garage because it's winter time, so it's pretty cold. So usually in winter we leave some of the vegetables outside until we're ready to use them. So we leave them in the garage and not really outside, they're more in the garage because it's really cold in there. Guys, I just started the fireplace because it's feeling really cold, and I want to show you guys this roses that I had from like maybe 2 weeks now or 2.5 weeks or so. They are still thriving and they're so beautiful. I want to show you guys. Oh, I think I need to put some more water in that vase. Okay, so as I poured water in them and I touched them, they start to fall. But I'm still not taking them away until I can go to the store and buy more. I'm gonna leave them for right now. I'm just gonna take up the pieces that fell off. Okay, this one is bad. This one is finished. I think I'll just take out this one that is shedding so badly. So I'm gonna be trying out this vegan dish, and these are the food items that I'll be using. My potato is in this. Also be putting some plantains in it. I just cut these parsley fresh from my garden. And guys, this is my first time making this one pot roasted vegetable. I already just went on YouTube and there's this girl that I follow. I'm gonna tag her. I'm gonna put her on the screen and also put her in the description box. She's the one that I saw this recipe from, and I'm just using what I have, so I don't use all the stuff that she had in her video, but I'm just using what I have for this. So it is snowing today. I'm asking if it's gonna be snowing this year. I was wondering because last year I don't think it snowed around this time last year. Can't remember that. I remember it's snowing earlier this year, about February, and I think that was like the first snow for this year, for last winter. Not quite sure, I don't quite remember, but I'm sure it was not snowing December 1st last year. So I was really happy this morning. Yes, I'm still excited about snow. I'm from Jamaica, so I never experienced snow until coming to Europe. So it's still something that really excites me, and I think it's something that's gonna always excite me because Christmas time is my favorite time of the year, and I think winter has always been my favorite, but that's Jamaican winter, which is like not so cold. Maybe Jamaica winter is something like 24 degrees, so it's still not that cold. But this brutal winter is still something that I like. I'm also filming for Vlogmas, but that would be a much shorter video than this weekly vlog video. So if you recognize this outfit, it's because it's the same day that I was filming this Vlogmas video. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. Hey guys, so I just want to say I'm so happy I decided to do two types of vlogmas videos, in terms of the weekly vlogmas video, which I compile with lots more stuff or more days, and the other type, which is the daily one, which I put up every other day. Because truth is that sometimes more interesting stuff happens in the evening when I have my husband to help me, in terms of putting up stuff that are more hard to reach or stuff that are heavier for me to move around and stuff like that. And you guys know it gets dark really early, but when I'm doing this weekly one where I show more days and more things that are happening, I can film even after I put up the vlogmas video for that day. So I still have to edit the vlogmas video that I'm going to be putting up today. And yeah, even though I'm filming sometimes my vlogmas videos on the same day that I'm filming for the weekly vlogmas videos, I still try to change my top some of the times, at least, just to kind of switch it up for you guys. You guys don't get bored of seeing me in the same clothes every single time. Yeah, just you get to see a different me, a new me each time. So I'm going to be putting some lights on the outside of this glass door here. So I'm just going to give the glass a quick clean before I hang those up.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Now I'm going to show you guys the light effect that I just put on the glass. So I'm going to set on some of these lights in the room so you get the real mood. The mood. Didn't put any on this side of the door because we go through that side of the door. And this is it when the curtains are closed.
I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this.
Heading out now to go to the supermarket to carry back all these plastic bottles, get some water, and get some groceries.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Lonely the world.
Hey guys, what's up? So I want to show you guys something that I bought for my nuts. So it is this nuts box here, and it comes with this nutcracker. So I wanted to eat some walnuts that I bought from my last grocery, and I wasn't able to eat them because I couldn't open them because I had no nutcracker. So this is how you can arrange it. You can slide this thing over here, you can slide it to the middle, and then you can put the trash in the center, and then you can put like two different assortments of nuts. like they have it here in the picture. Guys, I did not unpack it as yet because I was thinking of sending it back, because guys, it is really huge. I did not want such a big box, and I was kind of rushing while I was ordering, so I did not check the size. And I know that can happen a lot right now since it's Christmas. There's a table I wanted to put it on, and I wanted to have it near me when I'm snacking while I'm learning and stuff like that, but it's really big for the use that I wanted it for. Anyways, I've decided that I'm gonna keep it. It looks really nice, and it's a really good quality wooden nut box. So I decided I'm gonna keep it, and I'll just maybe get something smaller another time that I can actually keep the nuts in while I'm eating. But for right now, I will still be using that for this purpose. So this is what I usually keep my nuts in. So I'm just going to take out these because these are a little bit older. I'm going to put these in something and eat them now. They're not really old, but they're older than these. I got these last week, so they're still fresh and everything. And these are the walnuts that I was telling you guys about. I only have a few of those. I'm going to crack one now to see how this works. Oh, cool. Oh, this is cool. That was easy. So you just put the shell in the middle portion. And here you have your nuts. So I just put this gel on my face that I showed you guys in my last vlog. Well, not my last vlog, my last week Monday's vlog. This one is DMSO gel. Guys, it burns like crazy. It's like trials and tribulations in a bottle. I'm not over exaggerating. It burns, it scratches. I feel like I want to tear off my entire skin. It's like my face is, it's not like a heat type of burn. It's more like it's like driving my nerves out, like seriously. And it scratches so badly, I just want to rip my face off. But yeah, I've been using it now for almost a week. No, I've been using it for about a week. I've been using it since I showed you guys in my video, but I didn't use it every single night. I didn't use it last night because it's just so unbearable. But I'm still trying with it to see if it can get rid of these black spots that I have here. So the gel, it's not fully dried as yet, but it's just so bad. It stops like after about 20 minutes or so. And I sometimes have to be fanning it like this hard just to keep it cool and make it not so bad, just so that it doesn't burn so badly. So I don't know for how long I can bear this, but I'm still gonna try it for another 2 weeks or so. And if I don't see much results, then I will just stop using it. Oh, I'm gonna be lighting my second candle now for Advent, and I want to share that with you guys. But I'm going to tell you guys now, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. I'm really enjoying making them for you all. And yeah, before you leave, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment for the algorithm, of course. And I thank you all so much for hanging with me, for watching, and for just sharing with me in this festive season. So I thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next vlog on Wednesday. And guys, I don't know what I did wrong with this Advent crans this year, because it's just the needles are just shedding off like this, and I don't know what went wrong. Something went wrong. I'm not sure. I think I put it in the house way too early, because usually you leave it outside in the cold even after you've made it until you're ready to light it the first time. I don't know what went wrong this time. I just have to be picking up these trash. I don't even know if it's gonna hold up for all 4 candles, because as you guys can see, a lot of the green is falling off. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna light now.